Topic 5, Design Thinking by Mikel Medrano, bsit 2C. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a process for solving problems by prioritizing the consumer's needs above all else. It relies on observing with empathy how people interact with their environments and employs an iterative, hands-on approach to creating innovative solutions. Design thinking is human-centered, which means that it uses evidence of how consumers or humans actually engage with a product or service, rather than how someone else or an organization thinks they will engage with it. To be truly human-centered, designers watch how people use a product or service and continue to refine the product or service in order to improve the consumer's experience. This is the iterative part of design thinking. It favors moving quickly to get prototypes out to test rather than endless research or rumination. In contrast to traditional problem solving, which is a linear process of identifying a problem and then brainstorming solutions, design thinking only works if it's iterative, or it is less of a means to get to a single solution and more of a way continuously evolve your thinking and respond to to consumer needs. Design thinking started out as a process for creating sleek new technology and products, but this methodology is now widely used across both the private and public sectors for business and personal projects all around the world. Designing methodology was popularized by design consulting from IDEO. The methods gained momentum in the larger business world after Tim Brown, the chief executive officer of IDEO, wrote an article in 2008 for the Harvard Business Review about the use of design thinking in business, including at a Californian hospital, a Japanese bicycle company, and the healthcare industry in India. Today, one of the most popular courses at Stanford University is Designing Your Life, which apply design thinking to building a joyful career and life. What is a design thinking approach? Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation, anchored in understanding customers' needs, rapid prototyping, and generating creative ideas that will transform the way you develop products and services, processes, and organizations. By using design thinking, you make decisions based on what customers really want instead of relying only on historical data or making risky bets based on instinct instead of evidence. This design thinking brings together what is desirable from a human point of view with what is technologically feasible and economically viable, such as desirability, that what makes sense to people and for people, feasibility, what is technically possible within the foreseeable future, viability, what is likely to become part of sustainable business model.